A particle moves so that at time t its displacement is s equals t cubed minus 2t squared I plus 3t squared plus t plus 1j. Find expressions for the velocity and acceleration of the particle at time t and the velocity and acceleration when t equals 1. Now I'm just going to say that we can use column vectors instead of ij notation, and if we do that, then we would write that s is equal to t cubed minus 2t squared, 3t squared plus t plus 1. So in the usual way with vectors, we have that the top component, the component just here, is the I component, and the bottom one is the j component. And I'm going to work with these column vectors because I prefer them rather than writing the ij notation. So to get velocity, I know that I differentiate. So I'm going to get 3t squared, take away 4t, and then I'm going to have 6t plus 1. And of course you could write that back into ij notation. If the question's asked this way, then answer it that way. The acceleration, of course these are vectors, so I should be underlining these. Then we need to differentiate the velocity, and that's going to give me 6t take away 4 and 6. And of course, although I didn't give units here, it's likely that this is in meters per second and this is in meters per second squared. So if we want these as well when t is 1, v of 1 is going to be, substitute 1 in here, I'm going to get 3 take away 4, so that's going to be negative 1. And here I'm going to get 6 plus 1 is 7. And acceleration at 1 is going to be 6 times 1 take away 4, so that's going to be 2. And of course this is a constant, so 6 meters per second squared.